How to use LawDepot independent contractor agreement properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Using a LawDepot independent contractor agreement is convenient, but beginners often make mistakes that can leave businesses unprotected or lead to disputes. The first mistake is failing to define the scope of work clearly. A vague description can result in confusion over responsibilities and deliverables. Always detail specific tasks, deadlines, and expectations. Another common error is misclassifying workers. Independent contractors are different from employees, and misclassification can lead to tax penalties or legal trouble. Understand the difference and ensure your agreement reflects the correct status. Many users forget to address payment terms thoroughly. Include the rate, schedule, method of payment, and any reimbursement policies. Ambiguity here can create disputes or delayed payments. Neglecting intellectual property clauses is another pitfall. Specify who owns the work product and any licensing rights. Without this, you may lose control over critical materials or inventions. Finally, some skip reviewing state-specific requirements. Contract laws vary, and an agreement valid in one state might not hold in another. Check local laws or consult a professional if necessary. To use LawDepot independent contractor agreement properly, define work clearly, classify correctly, specify payment, address intellectual property, and confirm legal compliance. Avoid these mistakes, and your contract will protect your business while fostering a smooth working relationship.